Sorry I'm late. Alright, our next goal is to increase client engagement through.
Sorry, just replying a quick message.
Is everything okay, Jordan?
Yeah.
I understand. But let's keep phones away during the meeting so we can all stay focused. Alright, our next goal is to increase client engagement through social media interaction.
Hey, that was your phone?
Yeah, but I can't wait until after the next meeting.
Thanks everyone for staying focused. It really helps keeps us on track.
No problem. I'll just take notes so we can review after the plans.
Today I will talk about the benefit of time management. Time management is very important for productivity and success. So now, let's begin. Time management helps people to be more efficient. Uh, it reduces stress. It provides it improves performance at works and school. Good morning everyone. Today I will talk about the benefits of time management. Time management is very important for productivity and success. So now, let's begin. Time management helps people to be more efficient. It reduces stress. It improves performance at works or school.
Mia, James, we need you two to collaborate for our presentation this week.
I'd rather not to work with James right now.
Can I ask why?
People have been talking, saying he badmouthed me after the last project. I don't want that kind of negativity around me.
That's not true, Mia. I never said anything like that.
Let's pause. Office rumors can hurt everyone. Mia, let's clarify things together. James, thank you for explaining. Mia, James, you'll be handling the client presentation for this week.
Lara, before we start, I'd like to clear something up with James. I've heard some office talks that been bothering me.
I appreciate you being up professionally. Go ahead.
James, I heard you might have said some negative things about my last project. I don't want to assume, but I just wanted to ask you directly.
Thank you for asking me, Mia. I actually said that your report was thorough, but I suggested that formatting could be clear. Maybe someone twisted for that around.
That makes sense. Sorry for jumping to conclusions.
That's exactly how we should handle things, direct and respectful.